علیکم everyone.
السلام.
میرے تھوڑی کوئی آواز آئی نہیں ہے. میرے ایک باری پھر کر دو, میرے وعلیکم السلام کر دو, اپنے بڑا زور زبردستی کر دیو. السلام علیکم everyone. تھانوں بہت بہت عید مبارک ہو. Eid Mubarak to each and every one of you. First and foremost, I want to give recognition to Arif Sheikh Saab, to ارشد Bhatti Saab, and to that wonderful gentleman over here. Thank you so very much, واجد Saab, for everything that you do. He's my constituent now, so I have to be extra generous with him now. But I'm just here to wish each and every one of you a very blessed Eid. Eid Mubarak. I know that these 3 days, we really reinforce our message of sacrifice, of building community, and of ensuring that we are continuing to build bridges with each other. Today is Canada Day. Happy Canada Day, everyone. It is really nice to celebrate with each and every one of you. So, aakhir de vich, I will say, actually I'll ask you, agar tusi mere naal, if you can, agar aap mere saath koshish kare Canada Day ka naara lagane ke liye. Is that okay? If I say Canada, will you say Zindabad?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Canada!
Zindabad!
Canada!
Zindabad.
Canada!
Zindabad.
Absolutely amazing. Have a
کینیڈا کے
wonderful
ساتھ
evening.
ساتھ پاکستان زندہ باد جب تک نہ ہو تو مزہ نہیں آتا.
چلو ٹھیک ہے.
تو
آپ
دیکھتے ہیں پاکستان زندہ باد میں زیادہ جوش کس کا. اب سب نے روٹی کھا لی ہے. تو آئی وانٹ اے بگیسٹ نوائز. پاکستان. یہ آواز ہے. یہ پاکستان.
Canada!
زندہ
Canada!
Zindabad.
I think Wajid bhai میں جیت گئی ہوں. But happy Canada Day to each and every one of you. I hope you enjoy your evening, and I look forward to seeing you out and about in the community. And again, congratulations for everything that you are doing to this phenomenal trio and this team that is together. Thank you, everyone.